In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Salesforce using Einstein Activity Capture. We'll go through the setup carefully so you can follow along without feeling rushed. This process helps link your calendar activity with Salesforce, which can make it much easier to keep meetings and related information aligned with your CRM workflow. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Salesforce environment and that you also have access to the Google Workspace account you want to connect. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to your Salesforce Setup workspace. In the Setup area, look for the Quick Find search box and type in Einstein Activity Capture. This is the fastest way to get to the feature you need without navigating through multiple menus. When the results appear, select Settings under the Einstein Activity Capture section. On that page, click Get Started. Salesforce will guide you into the initial configuration flow. From there, create an active user configuration profile. This profile controls which users receive the synchronization setup, so it's an important part of making sure the right people are included. As you create it, confirm that it's marked active so the connection can actually be used. Next, assign your target corporate staff account list to the synchronization deployment profile group and then save your changes. This step determines who will be covered by the sync setup. It's a good idea to double check the user list before saving so that only the intended accounts are included. That helps avoid confusion later if someone expects calendar syncing and doesn't see it working. After that, move to your personal user settings. In the top right corner of Salesforce, click your profile avatar icon, then select Settings. Once you're in that area, open Connected Accounts. This is where individual account level integrations are managed separate from the broader admin configuration you just completed. Now click Connect an Account, then choose Google Calendar. Salesforce will prompt you to sign in to your corporate Google Workspace profile. Make sure you select the correct work account during login, especially if you're signed into multiple Google accounts in the same browser. After signing in, review the requested permissions and approve the integration. Those permissions are required for Salesforce and Google Calendar to communicate properly. Once approved, the account connection should be established and your Google Calendar integration through Einstein Activity Capture will be in place. If anything doesn't look right, check that the user was added to the active configuration and that the correct Google account was connected. And that's it, you've successfully set up the integration.